Everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of ban on WhatsApp. To know how to fix or how to solve ban on WhatsApp, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to the window of WhatsApp and we click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and we click OK. Then you'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end, you can go to Play Store. You can search about WhatsApp. If you find the updates, then you in this blue sign, then you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching.